What's up, YouTube? I'm here with a quick video because somebody made a comment about this. In the previous video, I showed you how to fix the gear shift if this fall apart, button come loose, button break. Common thing that happens on these Honda Accords, 03 to 07. Mine's is a coupe, but you know, they're pretty much all the same. So I showed you how to fix this if this breaks. Now someone messaged me their car stuck in park. Now I'm gonna mimic that. Show you another trick. 1 second. Let me fix this hunk of junk. Ta-da! Battery cables is loose. Let me show y'all real quick how to fix this. Okay, look, I'm gonna start the car. Look, car still stuck in park. See that? Won't go into drive. Stuck in park. If this happens to you, show you a quick fix. It's 1 to 2 things. Car stuck in park. 1 or 2 common things. It could be a few other things, but most commonly, this is what it is. Fuse. Oh Lord, this car's loud. I gotta change this pulley. Real quick, what it can be, the first thing to check is this right here. I see that fuse missing right there? Right there. That's the horn fuse, and that's also your stop light fuse. So when you press on the brakes, your brake lights come on. That's the fuse for it. And let me show you. Put the fuse in. You saw it couldn't go into drive, right? Put the fuse in. Now, check this out, y'all. Quick fix. Hit the brake. Ta-da! See that? So that's the first thing to check. If your car won't go into drive, go under the hood. I'm gonna show you the fuse again. Check that fuse, a 20 amp fuse. That's the first thing you always check when something goes wrong with your car. Check the fuses. Don't just go to the mechanic, check the fuses. Simple fix. That 20 fuse right there. Right there on my fingers, at that 20 fuse. Check that. If that fuse is blown, then that's the culprit. Under the hood. Now, second thing to check is your brake switch. Under your car, there's a switch on the brake pedal. See that black right there with the right? That's the switch. Sometimes that rubber grommet goes bad, or the switch gets moved, or you might accidentally kick it and move it out of position. That's the second thing to check. Your brake switch fuse. That also engages the lights. So when you press on your brake, see how it goes out? That makes the lights come on. Once you let it go and it closes, that makes the lights turn off. And that also controls, helps with this too. That's what controls that. So those are 2 things to check if you got an 03 to 07 Accord and you can't get it out of park and get it into drive. And it also happens on other cars too, brake light switch. But I'm most familiar with this car and that problem. So YouTube, that's a quick video showing you how to fix a problem with your car going into drive, coming out of park. And also, if you can't get it out of park and you're in a emergency situation, here's another trick. Just stick something pointy into that hole. A key, a screw. I was using a screw. Stick a screw in there. And look at my feet. I'm not even nowhere near the brake. You don't even have to press the brake. Stick a screw in there. Stick it down in there, or a key. Stick it down like that. Hold on. Let me get this right. Now it don't want to work. You know what? Let me just use a key. See? Now it's out of park. Just stick a screw, a key, anything that can fit down in there, it's a little lever. Push that lever down. See, I'm not on the brake, and it's still going in and out of park. So if you ever stuck somebody, you got a screw, a key, anything you get to stick down in there, stick it down in there. You can don't start your car out of park, even though it probably wouldn't, but keep your car in park started, push that in there, and bada, come out of park. So YouTube, that's it, quick tutorial. Just thought of that, wanted to share with y'all. I'm gonna be putting up a lot of new videos. I got a company that's sending me parts they want me to demo. So I'm start making new content more consistently. I know I said that a million times, but that's it, YouTube. I'm signing out.